One thing nobody really tells you about owning a pool is that it always seems to get dirty exactly when you want to swim. You walk outside ready to jump in, and instead you're looking at leaves, dirt, and debris everywhere. Normally, that means waiting for a robot to slowly clean the entire pool before it's actually usable again. But what if it didn't have to? The iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 has a bionic AI dual camera system that can detect debris, decide what actually needs attention, and clean those areas first instead of treating the entire pool the same. The company calls this AI Target Mode, and it claims the pool can be swim-ready in as little as 20 minutes. So instead of reading another specification sheet, I wanted to see whether it actually behaves differently underwater, or whether it's just another marketing promise. Right away, this feels more advanced than most cordless pool cleaners I have used before. The first thing you notice is the dual camera system on the front. And honestly, it already looks less like a pool vacuum and more like some underwater exploration robot. Then you notice the oversized tracks, large filtration system, and the overall design that clearly feels built around handling more complicated pool environments. Setup itself is surprisingly simple. Connect through the app, choose a cleaning mode, place it in the water, and let it start scanning the pool. And one thing I liked immediately is that it does not feel like a robot that constantly needs supervision. The whole system is clearly designed around reducing how often you need to interact with it at all. No cables dragging through the pool, no constantly restarting cleaning cycles, no babysitting the robot every few minutes. And honestly, that already makes the entire experience feel very different from a lot of pool cleaners people are used to. The first thing it does is map the environment. And underwater, you can actually see the difference compared to robots that just move randomly. Instead of bouncing around the pool blindly, the iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 constantly adjusts depending on the shape of the pool, obstacles, walls, and debris placement. The dual camera AI system is basically building an understanding of the environment while cleaning. And honestly, that changes the entire feeling of the robot, because it starts behaving less like a machine running fixed patterns and more like something that is actively reacting to what it sees underwater, especially around corners, curves, steps, and transitions, where a lot of cleaners normally get confused, lose traction, or completely miss sections of the pool. And visually, this is also where the whole AI positioning started feeling much more believable to me. Because instead of simply claiming to be smart, you can actually see the robot adapting its behavior in real time. But this is the feature I was most curious about: AI Target Mode. Because most pool cleaners treat the entire pool exactly the same, even when only certain areas are dirty. And honestly, that is usually what makes cleaning feel slow and inefficient. The robot spends most of its time cleaning already clean water, while the actual debris stays untouched somewhere else. But this works differently. Using the dual camera vision system and AI recognition, the iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 actively detects debris and moves directly toward it instead of wasting movement. And underwater, you can genuinely see that behavior happening in real time. Especially with leaves and stones, the robot constantly changes direction and corrects its movement depending on where the mess actually is, because you can literally watch it approach debris almost like it is tracking targets underwater, not randomly wandering around hoping it eventually reaches the mess, actually reacting to it. And honestly, this was probably the first moment where the whole AI positioning stopped feeling like marketing language and started feeling real. Because visually, it genuinely behaves differently from a normal cleanup. And this is where the whole 20-minute AI quick cleaning mode starts making a lot more sense. Because realistically, most days, you do not need some massive multi-hour deep clean cycle. Usually, you just want the pool looking clean enough to actually use without waiting forever first. But quick cleaning is only part of the story. For deeper cleaning, this thing handles the entire pool itself. Floor, walls, waterline, corners, slopes, basically everything. And honestly, the wall climbing footage is probably the most satisfying part to watch underwater. Because this is normally where a lot of cordless cleaners struggle. You usually see slipping, weak traction, missed areas, or awkward movement near vertical surfaces. But the dual grip traction system here actually feels surprisingly stable. Even on curves, transitions, and slippery surfaces, the robot keeps grip consistently while moving vertically across the walls. And once it reaches the waterline, it starts scrubbing the exact area that usually becomes the most annoying part to clean manually, which honestly removes one of the worst parts of pool maintenance completely. And what impressed me most is that it does all this while still maintaining strong suction and stable movement at the same time, instead of sacrificing runtime for power. From above, you can really start understanding how organized the cleaning behavior actually is. The robot first uses structured S-path cleaning to systematically cover the pool floor. Then afterward, it switches into AI target mode to identify and clean remaining debris that may have been missed. And this combination actually makes a lot of sense visually, because instead of endlessly repeating the same routes over and over, the robot constantly adapts depending on what still needs attention. And once you watch the full cleaning path from above, you realize how much less wasted movement there is compared to traditional random navigation systems. Everything starts looking much more efficient and intentional. Another thing that changes the experience a lot is the runtime. The battery can last for up to 16 hours on a single charge, which is honestly much longer than I expected for a cordless pool robot. Instead of constantly pulling it out, recharging it, and restarting cleaning cycles, you mostly just let it handle the pool by itself for long periods of time. And once you combine that with scheduled cleaning, the whole system starts feeling much closer to autonomous maintenance instead of a gadget you constantly manage yourself. The filtration system is also surprisingly effective, with both large debris and smaller particles at the same time. And one thing I noticed is that suction stays much more consistent even after collecting a lot of debris. Instead of slowly losing performance halfway through the cleaning cycle, the system keeps maintaining strong pickup surprisingly well, which means less interruption, less manual cleaning, and less constantly checking whether the robot still needs help finishing the job. The AI timer system pushes that feeling even further. You can schedule automatic cleaning cycles every 24, 48, or 72 hours, and after a while, the pool simply stays consistently clean in the background without needing constant attention. And after a while, that completely changes the relationship you have with pool maintenance. You stop constantly checking the condition of the water because the pool mostly just stays ready on its own. And visually, nighttime is honestly where this thing starts looking the most impressive. The dual camera system continues operating even in low light conditions. And in AI target mode, the built-in LED light automatically turns on, making the robot look even more like an autonomous underwater machine than a normal pool cleaner. And this is also the moment where you really notice how much cleaner the pool actually became. The reflections look sharper, the lighting looks clearer, and the water suddenly feels completely different once all the debris and buildup disappear. And after testing it, I honestly think the biggest difference with the iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 is not just the cleaning performance itself. It is the fact that the entire experience feels far more intentional and low maintenance than most cordless pool cleaners I have used before. Instead of randomly driving around hoping it eventually cleans everything, it actually reacts to what is happening inside the pool in real time. And once you combine the AI targeting, full pool coverage, long runtime, automatic scheduling, intelligent navigation, and low intervention design together, the whole system starts feeling genuinely autonomous. Which honestly is the entire reason people buy pool robots in the first place. Not because they love maintaining pools, but because they want to spend less time thinking about maintenance at all. And after using this for a while, that is probably the biggest compliment I can give it. At some point, I stopped checking on the robot and just started enjoying the pool again.